Hey, what's up YouTube? We are in the RV right now on a super windy road, so hopefully you don't get car sick with us. But we're here to talk about the #1 method we use to make money online in 2020 and what's working for hundreds of families just like ours to make passive income.
Hey, we're the Rainmaker family, and if you're new here, you can expect to be seeing videos where Steven and I are talking all about different ways to create alternative sources of income for your family, making it rain and having fun along the way. So make sure to like and subscribe if that sounds like something you're interested in.
In this video, you'll see Chelsea and I passing the camera back and forth. We're here to tell you all about Amazon, how to make money on Amazon. I know sometimes I go to Amazon, I spend a ton of money, but what if you could make more money than you spent on Amazon? Now, there's tons of ways to make money on Amazon, but we're gonna tell you about the #1 way we have seen work for families like ours and families like yours to make money on Amazon.
When Steven brought this up to me, although I was interested, I was also a little bit confused because I was like, we don't even have a product to sell. How does this work? How is Amazon gonna handle all of this? And he broke it down and made it super simple.
Amazon FBA. It stands for Fulfilled by Amazon or Fulfillment by Amazon, and this is how the business works. For years, we shopped on Amazon and we thought we were just buying from Amazon, right? Like the box comes, it says Amazon on it, and the product inside I just thought came from Amazon. But what I didn't realize as we dug a little bit more into how Amazon works is a lot of times these products come from small businesses, families just like mine, just like yours, who have learned to leverage the Amazon system to have Amazon do all the hard work for them. So in a 30-second nutshell, this is what people are doing. They're figuring out what products sell well on Amazon. There's software that can show you how to do this and give you the data of what's going on Amazon, what people are searching and what they want. Then they figure out how to manufacture those items. They ship them off to Amazon's warehouses, which are located all over the world. And then Amazon handles all the shipping and handling to the customers, as well as the customer service. And that's when the business becomes a passive revenue stream for your family. I just want to talk to you a little bit about the power of Amazon, you guys. Amazon is massive. It's bigger than you think. And in this next section, I just want to play a clip from one of our Rainmaker challenges where we go in depth on how to do this process. Check it out. You're especially going to love this. If you love the math, you love the numbers like me, watch this clip and your eyes may light up like mine did when I first heard about Amazon. All right, here we go. It is crazy, you guys. Amazon is the biggest river on the internet. So if you're going to build a dam, do it on Amazon. Now, a lot of people watching this, they don't realize how insanely large Amazon is. Right here, this orange line, that's Amazon. The blue line is the next 14 largest internet retailers combined. So if everyone was on a team, Apple, Walmart, QVC, Sears, Office Max, Dell, Best Buy, Amazon is that orange line and they're just destroying, okay? Amazon is insanely big. And Amazon is crazy because people actually pay to be customers. There's 150 million Prime subscribers. So Amazon is the most trusted e-commerce brand out there. And Amazon is the future. Internet retail is the future, I should say. Now, if you own a brick and mortar business, that's totally okay. I definitely think there's still a huge value in being able to go in the store, feel things, and do all that stuff. But internet retail is just taking off. So if you're going to keep doing brick and mortar, I recommend you diversify and start leveraging the internet traffic, because there was this crossing point in probably 2007, 2006, where internet retail just started going way up and brick and mortar is slightly going down. It's kind of hovering. But just imagine as the younger generations grow up, they're so tech savvy on their phones and like they don't want to go to Target to order the paper towels. They just want to click once and have it delivered to them within 2 days. And that's why Amazon has been the leader, because they've made it easy. Now, I get this question all the time, which is like, if I want to sell products on Amazon, isn't it oversaturated? So this is where we get some nitty gritty numbers. But let's just do some quick math, okay? Right now, there's 2.5 million active sellers on Amazon. And out of those active sellers, there's 4,000 items sold per minute on Amazon. So right now, as we're talking, it's just like, like orders are just like coming in.
If you think about it that way. Yeah.
There's 5.7 million items sold on Amazon every single day. And this is a number I found from Q1. So if you break the year into 4 quarters, Q1 sales in 2020 were $75 billion on Amazon. And you guys know what happened after Q1, right? The world got a little different and a lot of people were staying home and a lot of people were shopping online. Amazon got crazy in Q2, Q3, Q4, and sales for like a ton of Amazon sellers are going through the roof because people are home, they're buying stuff on Amazon. Okay. So, but I just took this number, Q1 sales, and I just times that by 4, right? So that's $300 billion per year conservatively. Amazon's gonna, there's gonna be more than that comes through on 2020 because the numbers are through the roof. But let's just talk conservative numbers here. $300 billion flowing through Amazon. If you divide that by 365, right? That's the number of days in the year. That equals $821 million every single day. These are numbers that I can't even really comprehend how big they are. Now I did some more math, okay? I just divided that by hours and minutes and seconds because I was like, how much money is flowing through Amazon every single second? And it's close to $10,000 every single second. 10,000. 10,000, 10,000. Isn't that crazy? It's like, imagine, do you think you could reach in and just pull out a little bit of money every second? If you could, let me know in the comments. If you could just reach into this like pie and grab a little apple slice for yourself and take a little bite every day. Like, do you think it's possible out of $821 million to pull out $100 for your family every single day? Because that's what we do. That's what we teach people how to do. I just want to show you guys the numbers because that for me, sometimes that like when I saw this, it lit me up because like a lot of people, oftentimes the people that don't want you to sell on Amazon, that want to hold it all to themselves, they say, oh, it's oversaturated, you shouldn't do it. But there's a lot of money flowing through Amazon if you know how to reach in and pull it out. Okay, I took the number of sellers, 2.5 million. I divided it by the amount of money flowing through Amazon, and I kind of came up with this average right here. On average, people are making $300 a day. Now, some people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and some people are making $0. But that's the average, and we know this is true because we've been teaching people how to do this. And I would say that's the average in our group too, is like $100 to $300 days on Amazon when you launch a product or two. Oh, the craziest aha of them all. More than half of the items sold on Amazon are from small businesses. This is another stat that blew me away because I thought when I bought from Amazon, it was from big corporations, it was from Amazon themselves. But oftentimes, even when you're getting that Prime box in the mail, it's coming from a small business. They take their products, they ship it into Amazon's warehouse, and then Amazon ships it to the customer. So how do we get a piece of that pie? What is FBA? You've heard us saying this. You've heard people in this group saying this. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. When I was first new to this, trying to explain it, I was like, I found this thing. Oh my gosh. I was trying to explain it to Chelsea. For years, I thought Amazon was the one selling the products, but fulfillment by Amazon means that Amazon will fulfill your orders for you. Okay. They'll do the customer service. They'll do the shipping for you. And how I kind of compare this is like if Jeff Bezos, put your opinions about him to the side for a second. Honestly, like if he called you up today and was just like, hey, you can leverage all of my stuff. I have all this stuff. You can leverage it. You can use it for your business for a small fee. Okay. And that's what fulfillment by Amazon is. It allows people to basically like imagine Amazon is the world's biggest grocery store and there's shelf space. Okay. Fulfillment by Amazon allows you to take your product and put it on a shelf in that grocery store where there's thousands of people walking by your product every single day. And then you don't even have to work at the store. Okay. Like when someone buys that product, like they'll check out, they'll give it to the person, right, for you. Okay. So that's what fulfillment by Amazon is. And when we found this, I was like, this is the greatest entrepreneurial opportunity of our lifetime because it allows you to leverage is one of those most powerful things. All these resources that they have built that you can leverage for a small fee.
Isn't that crazy? Some of those numbers, like just seeing how much money is flowing through Amazon. When I started looking into this stuff, I was like, I gotta figure out how to get a piece of that pie. What's even crazier is when I found this software that allows you to basically see the back end bank accounts of people selling existing products on Amazon. When I started looking into some of these products, the numbers are just insane. And even on the small niche random items you wouldn't think would be selling thousands of units a month, the numbers are just crazy. And this is why if you're doing e-commerce, if you want to sell a product online, you need to be doing it on Amazon.
Let me know in the comments, what is something recently you bought from Amazon, okay? I like to show like niche stuff because it really shows like, wow, there's a lot of people buying that really random thing, right? Oh yeah, we recently got this camper van. So we been buying a lot of like RV stuff. Okay. So like, let's do this. RV hose. Okay. We bought an RV hose, this Camco one I think we got, and check this out. When we
pull up this product on Amazon. I'll just do the individual product. There's a Chrome extension, and we're going to tell you all about this Chrome extension. We're actually going to give you, like, the company that makes this Chrome extension knows about this group, and they will give us a discount. So stick around. Don't sign up for this one yet, but if you want a discount to this, stick around. We will give that away, most likely on day, I think, 3 or 4. Okay, so what it does, it allows us to see how much money this product is making on Amazon, okay? And so this product right here is doing... This one right here, $39. They're selling it for on Amazon. They are selling $143,000 per month of these hoses. And I bought one of those, $39 from me and $39 from 3,629 other people. Is that crazy? And that's a pretty niche product, right? Now I'm looking at the comments. Let's do another one because I want to show you guys, like, we don't prepare this in advance. Okay, glider discs. This looks very random. Glider discs. Interesting. Okay, so it's like an exercise thing. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Oh, those are
so
awesome.
You like put your hands on them and you're like,
or your feet. Get your core engaged.
This is cool. This is a good Amazon product idea. Okay, let's see how much people are making on glider discs on Amazon. So we got this Synergy brand, this Elite Sports brand, these iKinKey brand. Now you see these brand names right here? I'm reading those right here. Those are random people like me and you, okay? I just made up some brand name. And they are making this top one, $45,000 per month in revenue. $13,000 per month, $2,000, $4,000, $9,000, $6,000, and it just goes on and on and on and on. And there's so much money flowing through Amazon, even on the most random niche products. I'm just gonna stop there because, like, you guys are seeing this. There's a lot of money flowing through Amazon.
And if hearing in a nutshell just a little bit more about Amazon FBA perks your interest and you have more questions like, how do I source a product? What software do I need? And all the tools and all the things that we share, make sure to stick around because we're gonna be doing a whole series on Amazon FBA. A lot of people try and create an e-commerce site selling on places like Etsy and Shopify, and in comparison, they are like this tiny little rock. But selling on Amazon, it's like that big rock.
Okay, we just got done with a little hike. We hiked with a couple to do an elopement out here in Yosemite, out to Taft Point. So we're a little bit out of breath. But Chelsea's gonna tell you a little bit about when we found FBA and how it really helped actually in our photography business.
Like Steven mentioned, our main gig was wedding photography and videography. And although we were making good money doing that, and we still do it to this day, wedding photography, there are really high months where there's a lot of cash flow and you're booking weddings, and in the winter season, it's a lot slower and sometimes it can feel a little scary in your bank account. FBA really changed that for us. We were able to not feel like we had to book a million weddings in order to stay afloat, and made sure we didn't have to be away every single weekend if we didn't want to. And the relief that we experienced that first wedding season while we were at weddings, already being paid to be there, we would be checking our phone at dinner during our mealtime and see that we had made $100 a day, $200 a day, sometimes $500 extra a day. We had this passive income that was coming in, and it was incredible, huge, life-changing, and it made reaching for bigger dreams, bigger things, starting a family, sustaining the lifestyle that we want to live even more possible.
Now, the one last thing that really attracted us to FBA, starting Amazon FBA business, was the investment level. I think our first product investment was like $500. And then our second product investment, we invested probably a couple thousand, and we scaled it up from there. So you start slow, it's low barrier to entry, and you know, all business is risk, but this felt relatively low risk compared to some of the other opportunities out there. To me, it's crazy. I mean, 2020, there's just so many opportunities to make money online. There's so many resources, but you really have to choose one and focus on it and follow that one course until you're successful. Woo! We made it back to the car. Oh man, that was heavy. That was a hard hike because we had to carry a lot of gear. We're back to the car though. I hope this video is super helpful. I'll just give you guys a quick overview of Amazon, what FBA even is, and how we make money on the side through FBA. We have a ton more videos coming out on this, so if it piques your interest, definitely subscribe. We're gonna have a whole playlist devoted to Amazon FBA, a whole playlist devoted to the software used to find products, and you're gonna have a ton of questions answered just from being a subscriber and watching the videos on this channel.
So thanks for watching so much, you guys. We're the Rainmaker family. Like Steven said, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be producing and giving you guys more content all about how to create alternative sources of income for your family. All right, bye, you guys.
Bye.